Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. I'm Erin, and for today's video we are going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul. So I know in my very first Dollar Tree haul I complained about how my local Dollar Tree had crap and that it wasn't that great. Well, I decided I was gonna give it another shot, and guess what? I had a lot better luck this time. And I actually think I may have missed an aisle the last time I was there because I found all the stickers and stuff that I couldn't find before. Anyway, I will hop into it because I have some stuff. I will say that most of the stuff I got is kind of food or candy items, but there's some other stuff in here too. So without further ado, here we go. So honestly, my whole purpose of going to Dollar Tree this time was to find some little knicky-knacky things to get for my mom for her birthday. I had already gotten her a big gift at a different store, but I figured it wouldn't hurt to stop and try to find some pretty cool stuff at Dollar Tree for her. She's not gonna care if I spent $1 on her or $1,000 on her. She's pretty happy with whatever I get her. So I went to go check out and see what they had, and I found some stuff. So it was a win-win situation. The first thing that I got was a gift bag because I needed something to put all of her gifts in. So I found this lovely pink sparkly gift bag. Not really too much to say about it other than it's pink and it's a gift bag and it is made by Voila. So the next thing I got was a pair of flip-flops for my mom. She likes leopard print things, so these were perfect. They are leopard print women's flip-flops, and yes, they are only $1. I think the ones at Old Navy are pretty cheap too, or at least they have a sale where they're on $1, and they reminded me of those. In any event, I got them for her because at her apartment complex they go to the pool a lot, so I figured these could be her pool shoes. And here they are. They are leopard print flip-flops. They're size 9-10, and these were made by Greenbrier International. And they had a whole bunch of different like kids flip-flops too, and they were all different colors and patterns. They had some decent stuff. I mean, for $1 if you're using them for like pool shoes, or I know I had a pair of flip-flops for like that when I was in college for shower shoes, because Lord knows you don't want to go in there with bare feet. I lived in a dorm, obviously, not an apartment. And trust me, you didn't want to go in that shower without flip-flops on. So this next thing I've been looking for a long time. I have seen other people haul it, and in fact I mentioned it I think in my last Dollar Tree haul that I was looking for, and that is the tumbler with the cactus that says I'm Sharp on it. Now I will say that most of them were kind of beat up, but they're $1, so I'm not going to complain. It'll probably last until I drop it on the ground, which I do frequently with these, but it's not bad. I don't know if you'll be able to see the little scuff marks on it. I didn't really care, but here it is. You can't, I know there's a little bit of a glare from my light, but you can see the little cactus guy, and then it says right here, I'm Sharp, and it's super cute. I really like it. Of course, I have like 900,000 tumblers now, but guess what? You can never have enough because I always break them. And this also was made by Greenbrier International. So next up was just kind of a cheesy, funny gift for my mom, and I used to like these when I was little. So when I saw a whole bunch of them, I was like, whoa, this is kind of cute. So I decided to get it for her. And it is a magical towel with Ariel and Flounder on it. And pretty much what you do is you put it in water and it turns into like a washcloth. There is a reason why I decided to get the Little Mermaid version of this. Growing up, my mom was a mail carrier, and one of the people that she used to deliver mail for was for Sam Wright, who does the voice of Sebastian the Crab. And then eventually they ended up opening up a dance school, and I actually took dance classes there from the time I was in, I think, elementary school all the way up through high school. So that's why I decided to get her the Little Mermaid towel. Okay, so up next I got some stuff to go with actually a Mother's Day present that I had gotten my mom. And what I had gotten her, one of those wax warmers, so you warm up the wax and it melts and it smells pretty. And they had some wax melts that were there at Dollar Tree, so I decided to get her these. The first one I got is South Seas wax melts, and it's by Aromance. Now I didn't really get a chance to smell these before I bought them because I wasn't sure if you opened them, if you close them back up. So I'm trying to get a little whiff here. See what it smells like. If it smells bad, sorry Mom. Didn't mean to get you something that smells like poop. This actually smells decent. It definitely reminds me of the beach. So there we go. South Seas. Okie dokie. Next thing I got was Fresh Linen Scent by Luminescence. That's what these look like. And I'm sure these will smell good. I always like stuff that smells like fresh laundry. Let's see. I didn't want to do it in the store because I was a little afraid to pop them open, but it looks like they will close decently. But these, oh, they smell good. They smell like fresh towels. There you go, Mom. Your house can smell like fresh towels. I definitely thought she would like this, so this smells good too. So that was a score for me doing a blind buy on something that's smelly. Alright, so next up I got another sea-themed candle thingy. In my first haul, you may have saw that I got a votive thing that when you put the candle in, the fish etching lights up and it looks really pretty. This one you just set a tea light in it, or like a votive candle you can just put in here and let it burn and I guess melt on it if you wanted to. I'll probably just stick a tea light on here. I thought it was super cute. It's a starfish. It's it's kind of like iridescent white, kind of like opally, I guess. It is made by Greenbrier International. And they had one that was like more of a silver color too, I think, but I liked this one better. So I went ahead and picked this up. Hopefully I won't break it. So up next, I found some fashion pens. Now I bought a set for myself and I bought a set for my mom. My mom is a waitress, so I figured she could probably use this when she writes down her orders. I don't know if she's only allowed to have like normal pens though. In any event, I got her these. There are 3 of them in the pack. It says fashion pens, and it includes 3 ballpoint pens and black ink, and they are made by Greenbrier International. And as you can see, there's one that's like striped and a floral one. There's actually 2 floral ones. So I thought they were really cute. So I got her this set. And I figured, you know, if she loses them, it's not a big deal. They only cost $1, and I'll buy her some more. And next, this is my set of pens. And I just noticed that these actually match the composition books that they had out that were fancier. Like I had the one I showed with the elephants and the mandalas on it. And these kind of go with that whole motif. So I don't know if you can see them very well. One has got like camels on it. And then there's this one and this one. In fact, these are mine, so I can open these up and show you what they look like. They're super cute. Oh, I thought oh yeah, there's camels. There's camels, ostriches, and it looks like an impala of some sort on this with like a desert oasis, and it has pyramids on it too. I don't know how well you can see. You can see some of the ostriches. There's camel and a pyramid. Looks like some kind of cheetah too. Super cute. Then the next one is this one, which is not really a paisley. I don't really know what kind of print you would call this. And that's what this looks like. Super cute. And last but not least, has one with like little mandalas on it. I mean, you can't really go wrong. 3 pens for $1. Hopefully they work well. And these also have black ink. These I kind of forgot I had bought. I got these from my mom, again with the leopard print motif. She usually has longer nails than I do. My nails are actually kind of long right now and doing okay, so what can you do? I'm one of those people though, like if I break one nail, they all have to get chopped off. So here we go. There are 2 emery boards by Sassy and Chic. And they are like a pink and blue leopard print. They're super cute. So that's what they look like. And I mean, they're decent size emery boards, so hopefully they'll last a while for her. And they are made, it says that Sassy and Chic on it, but they're made by Greenbrier International. Last but not least, for our non-food items, I don't think I have anything else that's a non-food item. We have the 3 fizzies from Spa Naturals Luxury Collection, and they are bath bombs, and I got the vanilla and coconut scent, and I hope that they smell really good. I'm sure that they will. Truth be told, I haven't really used bath bombs before, so it'll be a new experience for me. I'm sure I'll enjoy it. Like I've said before, my skin is kind of sensitive though, so hopefully these don't make me break out in hives. But here they are. I thought it was nice that you get 3 in a pack, and if these don't make me break out, then I will probably go and grab some more. I kind of want to smell them, so I'm going to open this up. Smell-o-vision. Oh, they smell really good. So I'm definitely excited to use these. I'm kind of a sucker for anything that's vanilla or coconut scented anyway. So put them together and it's magic, I bet. So the rest of this is pretty much all food items. I kind of went a little candy crazy. Probably not good, but I didn't care. I wanted some candy, so I bought some. And then there's one other thing that is not candy related that we will get to. So first things first, I got some Sour Punch rainbow straws, and I really like these, so kind of excited that I found some. And it is 4 ounces. Let's not talk about the calorie count, but here's what these look like. I'm sure most people know what Sour Punch straws look like. And then next, I haven't seen these lollipops in a while. I really have always liked them, but I haven't seen them around in a while, and that is Chupa Chups. And this is the best of bag. It comes with 12 lollipops in there, and it has cola, creamy, and fruit. And it says that the flavors that come in here are cherry, strawberry, strawberry vanilla, and cola flavor. And of course, they have on the front that they are peanut free. Good deal. That means that people with peanut allergies can have this. Although it has that dreaded asterisk, so I'm sure it's made in a facility that may or may not have had peanuts. But I don't see that disclaimer anywhere. Yeah, I'm not saying where it says that, so I guess people with peanut allergies... No, it says allergen on here. It says milk, produced in a plant that uses milk, wheat, and soy. So yeah, I guess you're good if you have a peanut allergy. I know that can be pretty dang serious, so... And then it also says they're gluten-free, which everything is freaking got it. It's gluten-free this lately. Yes, there are some people who have gluten intolerance, but most people who claim that they do actually don't have a gluten intolerance. But anyway, here's the bag of Chupa Chups. I'm very excited to eat these. Alright, so I saw somebody else haul these the other day in a food haul from Dollar Tree, and I was like, oh man, I've been craving them ever since, so I went ahead and bought them. And that is the Trolli Sour Bright Crawlers. I love these things. I think the last time I ate them a little too much because they like destroyed the roof of my mouth from the what's it called? The sour stuff that's on them, but I love these things. So here is this. That's the bag of Sour Bright Crawlers, and this is the 4.4 ounce bag. Last but certainly not least, I got 2 of these. And again, I saw someone else haul these, specifically Amanda Random. I'll link her channel down below. If you like Dollar Tree hauls, she has them up all the time, and they're definitely good ones. And I guess other people have been hauling these too, but I haven't really seen that. And that is these. They're by Oh Snap Pickling Company, and they are called Dilly Bite. This is what the package looks like. And yes, these do need to be refrigerated. And what it is they are dill pickle snacking cuts. And it says that there is no brine in there. So I mean, it's less mess. So I'm hoping that these are really good. So I am kind of a pickle fiend. I love pickles. So when I saw these, I knew I had to try them, and I'm very excited to try them. That's why I got 2. If I don't like them, they can hang out in the refrigerator until my boyfriend gets back from traveling for work. And I'm sure he'll eat them. But I'm pretty sure that I'm really going to like these. And I'll probably be going back to get some more. So they had spicy version of this too, and I didn't get it. Camera's about to shake. Oh, no, she missed. Dixie was walked through, pretty sure she was gonna hit the tripod because she's blind, but she didn't. That was some good maneuvering on her part. Anyway, so I was gonna get the spicy kind of these, but I was a little afraid to. And I think that stems back from when I was little. My dad accidentally got spicy pickles, and I ate them and it was terrible. I didn't like it. It's not that I don't like spicy food now. I don't mind it, so maybe I'll try those eventually, but I just didn't. Anyway, back to these little dilly bites. They are fat-free, gluten-free, made with non-GMO cucumbers. Maybe they use GMO vinegar and then you're screwed. Anyway, so I was just looking, and pickles are a good snack. There's like no fat, no calories. So I think if I like these, I'll definitely be getting some more. It says you can take them on the road. They're ideal for picnics, toss in a lunchbox, or just about anywhere where no pickle has gone before. Ominous. Anyway, that's it for today's haul. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll definitely have more hauls and unboxings from various different places if you like those kind of videos. And then of course I have some other stuff thrown in here and there. But anyway, like I said, if you think you'll like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And for those who have already subscribed and keep coming back, thank you. I really appreciate the support. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!